5 things that I love about this car. I got you ulit. First, yung front view ng kotse. Sobrang modern na ng itsura niya. Halos same na sa 2025 model na Hilux. At second, yung looks. Loaded na rin to ng mga parts. Nakatoyo ka na decals, LED taillight, conquest fender, at may side decals na rin to. May fender mirror, naka BF Goodrich na tires at 16 inches Steelys. At third, yung power ng engine. Yung may mga Hilux dyan, comment kayo dito, sabihin nyo kung gaano ka-powerful tong kotse na to. Isa 2.4 liter turbo diesel 4x2. Sobrang powerful ang engine na to at sobrang reliable at at the same time, sobrang tibay din. At fourth, manual transmission siya. So less things to worry about. At yung itsura ng interior niya, sobrang modern na rin at naka-touchscreen infotainment system na rin to at syempre, sobrang lamig ng aircon. At fifth, yung price. Alam mo ba na 695,000 pesos lang to? Way below market value. Form and function yung binabayaran mo dito, pwedeng pang business, pang family at pang tambay. At minsan, mapagkakamalang ka rin contractor. Kaya ang gusto mo to, kunin mo na. Peace out.